Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Real Life Health Show. I am truly blessed. I am truly blessed. My wife is amazing, and she makes the most amazing recipes. So today, I didn't eat much. I had a vegetable juice earlier. Here's some oranges I had today. But my dinners are just out of this world because of my amazing wife. So I have this amazing salad. That's a dulse on top. I love dulse. This is a great salad. But one of my favorite treats is this dish that she made here. This is a raw BLT. This is raw. This bread she made in a dehydrator. And then here we have lettuce and tomatoes and this bacon. This is eggplant bacon. You can just type online raw vegan eggplant bacon recipe and it'll come up. Or go to rawfoodchef.com. TheRawChef.com, and there's a recipe there for that as well. So basically, you know, some people say, "What do you do for bread?" I don't eat bread, but I'll eat this. This is just raw bread made out of a nut mixture. No, made out of zucchini. She's here telling me all this stuff. Made out of zucchini. Look at this. Look at this. And this is just the lettuce and tomatoes and a dressing with the eggplant bacon. But she could have put here, she could have made a raw burger and put it on this bread. And I wouldn't like to eat that without having a salad. I like to have my greens every day. So I had my green juice. I like to have either a green juice and or a salad. But lately I've been having a green juice and a salad. So that's wonderful. And then I have my fruit. And then this is like my reward for the hard work I did all day. And in my salad, you see back of me, I'm growing sprouts. I have sprouts in the salad. I have sprouts in my juices, but it's not complicated to eat healthy. Now, I'll like to eat the salad first before I eat this special treat. That's what I recommend. And I don't recommend eating like this every single night, even though it seems like I'm making these videos and every night there's some type of recipe and stuff. A few nights a week is excellent. You don't want to overdo the dehydrated food. You want to make sure you're eating hydrated food mostly. But I don't need to go to raw food restaurants because look at this. And this tastes better than anything I've ever tasted in a raw food restaurant as well. But you know, might think it might be complicated to make something like this. All it is the bread, and you can get the zucchini bread from the rawchef.com. You can get lettuce and tomatoes and any raw dressing there that you can make, and the eggplant. It has been made in a dehydrator, so you need a dehydrator for this one, but it's not that difficult. It's amazing. So I'm going to eat that, and yeah, it's been a good day. Have a great day, everybody, a great night, and if you have questions, put them below, and until then, have a great real life.